Yo. I just wanted to do a quick unbagging with you guys. I was waiting on this to drop. I saw them online. I was like, oh man, I gotta have it. The first jersey I saw was the Kobe version though. And I thought that might have been the first one to drop, but it wasn't. It was the LeBron. And this is the Nike, the 2018 City version of the LA Lakers jersey. Now, I got the Swingman version. Told you in my last video with the Swingman jersey, I think it was a Jordan jersey. I didn't mind getting Swingman because the letters and the print is very nice quality. You know, it's not your iron-on, if you will. These are I think they're felt something. They feel like a material. I want to say it's felt, but I'm probably wrong. It's probably plastic or something. But it doesn't have that iron-on feel. And as you can see, it's a very bold print. You know, it doesn't look like it's fading or, you know, anything like that. And even the jersey quality itself. I mean, if you come up here, this is some good quality material. It's not like, you know, the Swingman jerseys of old at all. You know, these are some high quality replica, you know, quote unquote affordable jerseys. So, you know, it's dry fit material. If you get close here, I'm not sure what this says. Excuse my coffee maker. But these are I don't know what this is. I think, what does this say on there? Does it say Lake Show? Or Showtime? It says Showtime. So, okay. Pinstripe on the jerseys. It says Showtime. And it might say something else on there too. But I know I saw Showtime. But there you have it. It's the LeBron James Swingman. This is also a connected jersey. I was digging that last season, where you could scan it with your app, and it'll tell you, you know, whatever team you have. It'll tell you, you know, their schedule and roster, list of players, just things about the team. And you know, you just go to your app store on whatever kind of phone you got, download that Connect app, Nike Connect, and you know, you could just scan this and it'll tell you what you need to know. Works for any Connect jersey that Nike makes. So I can't wait to wear this. Los Angeles Lakers LeBron Swingman City version.